Now the warning part, okay? Whether you like it or you like me or you don't like me, this is your, but because you paid high amount of money and the time, I need to tell you the truth, okay? The truth is, um, you cannot cheat. Cheat means you cannot lie or you cannot cheat with the content we provide. What it means, you need to listen to the workshop content very carefully, very carefully, very carefully. If you do not understand as you are listening, you are supposed to take notes. As I find out, some of you are like the converting, some of you are answering, some of you are actually injecting the question and the information in between. It will not solve the problem. You will not get anything done here. So please do not use anything outside. You rather make mistake yourself. You rather write your own wording. This is better. This is the manager expect you to do this. You do not want to do the outside, the foreign things here. I will be adding the foreign things because once we add the foreign things, we read and we actually modify it everything because we need to make the story connected and then we give you. It's not like we make everything here. We also take the outside content, but we actually read them again. Most of the time we read them and we actually make the story correct so that you can understand. But you don't need to. The content we provide you, the slide we provide you, this is all you need to use in and out. I want to give a shout out to the team. They have done very good job